Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slimes. So let's get right into this, but first remember to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you know whenever I post a new video. So first of all, I'm going to review Mango Tango. I just bought these at the Walmart. It is clear slime with so much glitter in it. It is very stretchy and it smells so good. It has a nice poke. Let's go up. Let's do a crackle. I have to say, this is pretty good slime. And it all came in one big packet. So yeah. Okay, so this is Mango Tango. Actually, I'm just going to set them aside. Then I'm going to do cotton candy. Okay, so this has dark pink, light pink, and like a blue glitters. Let me turn the light on in here. That's better. Okay. I have to say, this is really nice slime. I did not think this was going to be good slime, to be honest. Okay. So now I'm going to do bubblegum. I'm going to be completely honest. This smells like hand sanitizer. Exactly like just normal hand sanitizer. It is so weird. It's such a strong scent. And it does not smell like bubblegum, but it's not like a bad scent. Because I don't mind the scent of hand sanitizer. But still, I thought that was really odd. These have like dark pink and light pink and purple, and like a little yellow. Like a light yellow. So this slime is very pretty. But so far, I like the Mango Tango. I think it's called, yeah, Mango Tango. Okay. Now let's put this over here. Now I'm going to do Pineapple Peach. This one's probably the prettiest because it has like yellow, green, pink glitters in them. So I like that a lot too. And now the last but not least, apple. Oh, this one smells so good. It smells like apple pie. This one's probably my favorite because just the colors and especially the scent. But now the cool thing in this video, I'm going to be doing a slime smoothie with all of them. Because they're just clear slimes with a bunch of different colored glitter. So, yeah, it's not like, well, hopefully it's not going to make brown. It is kind of sad to do this, but I feel like it's going to look so cool. In the dark pink, I'm trying to do like a rainbow glitter. There. Then the light pink. Alright. Let's do close up. Oh, it's so big and so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It is so cool. I thought I would regret this, but honestly, it's like a tie-dye swirl of colors. And it is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll do a close-up now, because I just have to. Look at how pretty that is. Wow, I was really not expecting that. I don't know why. I was expecting it to turn like an ugly brown. Alright, so that was a huge success. Really happy that turned out like that. And that is basically it for this week's video, because I am doing videos every Saturday, like I said in my previous video. Go check that one out. And yeah, remember to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!